So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing regarding all of the upcoming price drops in all of the existing iPhones. Well guys, many people want to buy the iPhone XR, the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro lineup. So with the help of this video, I'm going to be clearing all of your confusion regarding all of the possible price tags and the best time to buy a particular iPhone. And guys, before starting today's video, there is a sincere request that everybody watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me start with the iPhone XR. Well guys, in 2018 Apple launched the iPhone XR and it was starting at $749, and in India it was starting at 76,000 rupees. And guys, after 6 months the price tag came near 60,000 rupees, and eventually exactly after 1 year in the Diwali sale of 2019, the iPhone XR was available for 38,000 rupees. And literally guys, you're talking about 50% price drop. And guys, it will be applied with this year's Diwali sale also. If you're talking about the iPhone XR, it will be available below 40,000 rupees or else even below 35,000 rupees, because we all know that every single smartphone's value depletes as per time. Well guys, take example of the iPhone XR. In the recent Flipkart sale, it was available for 45,000 rupees and many people bought it. And guys, here is one thing that I want to tell you, that when Apple will launch the iPhone 12 lineup, they will mostly discontinue the iPhone XR. They will chop down the price tag of the iPhone 11 and they will directly remove the iPhone XR. And guys, you might be little bit annoying that why Apple is removing the XR, but in reality, if Apple stops the production, then all of the shopkeepers will get a particular pressure, like they have to clear away this stock as soon as possible. So all of the shopkeepers will provide huge discounts, like literally the iPhone XR will be available around 35,000 rupees. So guys, if you want to buy the iPhone XR right now, it is not a clever decision, because 52,000 rupees for this smartphone is simply too much. Well guys, soon around second week of September, this iPhone will be available around 45,000 rupees. And guys, let me make this thing clear that every year before 1 month or before 2 months of the new iPhones, the price tag of the current iPhones reduces substantially. So guys, suppose Apple's iPhone 12 event is on 12th of October, then around second week of September itself, the price tag of all of the iPhones will start falling, because guys, literally after the launch of the iPhone 12, the iPhone 11 becomes outdated and the price tag is chopped down significantly. So guys, every single seller wants to give a great discount so that he will not be in a loss. And guys, because of this factor, take example like around September, around second week of September, the price tag of the iPhone XR will be below 45,000 rupees. So now let me talk about the iPhone 11. Well guys, iPhone 11 is the #1 best selling smartphone in the world, and guys, millions of people want to buy this iPhone. Well guys, currently if you look on Amazon, then this iPhone is available around 68,000 rupees. But guys, if you are talking about offline market, then you can find this iPhone around 62 or even around 60,000 rupees. And guys, in the recent Amazon Prime Day sale, this iPhone was available for 59,000 rupees. And guys, on the launch date of the iPhone 12 itself, Apple will announce the $100 price drop. So similar to the iPhone XR, Apple will chop the price tag of the iPhone 11. So they will keep it for $599, and in India around 55,000 rupees. And guys, if you are talking about the Diwali sale, then you will get the iPhone 11 around 60,000 or even around 55,000 rupees. Well guys, nothing is confirmed yet, but looking at the current demand for the iPhone 11, there will be a very big price drop. Well guys, literally you can even expect the iPhone 11 around 53,000 rupees. So guys, if you are interested in buying the iPhone 11 right now, then you can purchase it, but I personally feel that you should wait till the second week of September. So now let me talk regarding the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Well guys, currently if you are planning to buy these top of the line iPhones, then I will sincerely request you that don't buy them. You can wait for the iPhone 12 Pro lineup because you will get 5G. And guys, literally if you are investing 1 lakh plus rupees behind a smartphone, then you will of course use it for literally 4 to 5 years. So in simple words, if you are planning to buy the iPhone 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max, then you can definitely wait for the iPhone 12 Pro series. And guys, obviously whenever Apple will launch the iPhone 12 Pro, they will discontinue the existing iPhone 11 Pro. So in simple words, Apple will stop the production of this particular iPhones. And guys, if this happens, then all of the shopkeepers will start giving huge discounts. Well guys, every single shopkeeper wants to clear away the entire stock. So literally you will get the iPhone 11 Pro as low as 70,000 rupees even. So guys, in simple words, if you currently want to buy any of the iPhone 11 Pros, then I will strictly recommend you to wait for the iPhone 12 lineups launch, so that you can either go for the iPhone 12 Pro or you can get the discounted iPhone 11 Pro lineup. So guys, now let me come to my overall conclusion. Well guys, if you want to buy the iPhone XR or the iPhone 11, then you can wait till the second week of September, because from that particular week onwards there will be huge discounts on all of the iPhones. And guys, if you're talking about the iPhone 11 Pro lineup, then my strict recommendation will be that please don't go for that. And guys, there are still many people who want to buy the iPhone 7, the iPhone 8 or even the iPhone 8 Plus. So guys, my honest advice will be that please don't buy any of the older iPhones, because they simply don't worth the entire price tag. Literally the iPhone 7 is available for 23,000 or even 27,000 rupees, which is just a ridiculous price tag for that particular iPhone. And guys, if you want to buy the iPhone SE, then after a couple of weeks we will get the information regarding the price drop, because the manufacturing of this iPhone will soon begin in India. So guys, I hope that this video was little bit helpful, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.